Good start?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. We had a lot of fun. Matt King is ridiculous.
Yeah, he's so out, dude.
He's like he's just a genius. Yeah.
I've been playing a bunch down the Florida Keys, and like I said, I just recently took a road trip across the country to play and just kind of check out other parts of the country. Just drove from here to Seattle and down the coast and back. I didn't really book any bands. I just met people there who helped me out, book some things and do some clubs, and I talked to them. So yeah, it was a cool experience to not have anything set up, but still try to play along the way. So it was nice.
And the Florida Keys. Let's talk about that experience. How that was.
Yeah, that was a very cool experience because music is really looked upon highly there. Because that's one of the few forms of entertainment there besides fishing and boating. So. Take their music seriously, which was a cool thing to do. I was playing 5 or 6 nights a week there. It was a little bit crazy in terms of playing, but it was a lot of fun. It was a good learning experience.
And playing here at Daryl's house has got to be a pleasure.
Daryl's house really spoils you because there's no other place that really treats you as well. Feeds you good, and the sound is great here, and it's just always a great experience for this.